Kanong ai ktien ka All India Congress Committee na Shillong ka wing commander belasang that ka Anuma Acharya. Kalau ang bagara jong sen Congress ban omishim benta ha ka jingple ya ka Ram Mandir. Kadai ka AKA ka ba ka Congress ka sngo ba ka kam Niam kadai ka kam Shimet. Nri ka seng BJP ka kelalong penbaneka kum ka kam Sain Pyrthei. Kani ko nong ai ktien ka Congress kalong ba la shim ka nekarai ban om le shim benta namar ba ka seng BJP kala pen kala kam Niam wat ka kam manchna ya ka temple. Hagaji kendu ginong patai kubor haka katwe tarik ukala lengkot arhajar arpusau ha Kongres Bhavan Shillong. Ka Acharya kalong ba haki arpusau snem kijing syakri jongka haka Indian Armed Force. Kala i ya bro asau teli ki jaka mane ki bagentup ka mandir ka gurudwara ka masjid bat ka yang mane ki Kristan. Bat kalong baka kam Niam kedai ke ke bashimet bat ka nget baka deban sa kumta. Ha bapen pa wek jing sngo jongka halor ka jing thaw ya ka Ram temple ke barang yat menta ka Acharya kalong ba ka jing thaw ya ka temple kampat de pura ndai ka seng BJP kala sheme ka rai ban pleno ya ka temple kala pen pa ru bawat ki sautli ki Shankaracharya ki larai bakin om shim benta ha ka jing ple ya ka temple namar ba om shim lale ka ne katkum karukom jong ka jinget Hindu. Ka Acharya kala keno ru ya keseng BJP ba kalapan kelakam Sain Pyrthei ha kejing shna ya kene temple.
Okay. See, I have been in the armed forces in the Indian Air Force for 24 years. So I have seen all the four puja sthal at one place. The mandir, the gurudwara, the masjid and the church. All at one place. So we feel like the armed forces earlier, that religion is your very personal thing. Now, this mandir, if you go by Hindu parampara, I am a Hindu Brahmin, but I generally don't feel like talking about it. So, our religion says that a complete temple, there you do the pran pratishtha. This temple is incomplete. Then our main, what do we call them, Shankaracharya, four Shankaracharya, they have boycotted. They said we call it the Kalash, the top portion of the mandir temple is called Kalash. So the Kalash is not positioned. Unless the Kalash is positioned, the temple is not complete. The construction is not complete. In a half constructed temple, just to have a political gain, this is a political event. It is not the actual event. Otherwise, they would have waited till Ram Navami, which is the birth day of Ram, Prabhu Ram, and they could have done it on that day. But they want to encash it during the election time. So therefore, we are boycotting the political intent of BJP. Otherwise, we all are like, whosoever is Hindu will follow Hindu religion. So we all are Prabhu Sri Ram's, whatever we can say. So it's a very personal thing, and it is a political event. We are avoiding because of that. We are boycotting that. People who respect democracy cannot make such loose comments. If the elections are not organic, which I feel they were not in all the Hindi belt, and how they were not organic, everybody knows what is playing. A lot of people are demonstrating. So therefore they are confident because they are not using the correct means perhaps. Otherwise, in a democracy, nobody can be so arrogant saying that everybody is in our favor. Whereas their policies, like our income, per capita income, we are 128th in the country. Whereas BJP boasts incorrectly that we are the 5th economy in the world. So I think if somebody is making such an arrogant statement, it clearly evinces that there is some incorrect means they are onto, or they cannot be so sure because their work has not been for the people. During their time, 80 crore people have gone below the poverty line. Therefore, they have been given 5 kg ration. So I think BJP is boasting unless they have some, because ECI, ED and CBI, they have also become the members of BJP. Actually, here I would like to tell you that whenever Congress is strong, because it derives its power and strength from the people, so it gives back to people. You remember our right based schemes: right to food, right to employment, right to education, right to health, and even right to information, which strengthens people. Whereas BJP government derives its power from the corporates' money. So whenever they become powerful, the power goes back to the corporates. Another problem, which is huge discrimination with Dalits, tribals. 46.11% crime against Dalits have increased in last 10 years. This is NCRB data. Against tribes, Adivasis, it has increased by 48.13%. Again, NCRB data. This government, the BJP government, is against caste census. They're shirking away because they don't want equal participation of people as per their percentage of population. Then atrocities against women. Women are actually deceived by BJP. They say Beti Bachao, but the predators of women, they go from strength to strength. So this is what is their double standards. Every hour there are 51 FIRs in our country for crime against women. You name one opposition leader who is as fearless as Rahul Gandhi in asking questions to the government. They are so afraid of him that they ruined his image. They have spent crores of rupees to ruin his image. Everybody knows that. The Bharat Jodo Yatra has changed that perception. People now know that he is one person who comes from the family of martyrs, and he is going to take the country because he loves the country so much. It is Bharatiya Janata Party, its motive is served when somebody makes that kind of statements.